Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I know this clip is a little dark. The rest of the video will be normal lighting, but I want you guys to actually see the glitter. I want it to really stand out so you guys can actually like see in detail like the mix. But this glitter is from Baddie Cosmetics, and y'all check them out. Unfortunately, I don't have a coupon code for them, but yeah, check them out. I put their Instagram down below. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. For today, I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and the first color I'm going to pick up is the darkest purple. Out of this palette, I'm going to pack that into my crease. Okay, my next color is going to be this one up here. Now I'm going to take a large blending brush with no product on it, and you see purple because I use it on this eye, but I'm just going to blend everything together. I'm going to take like a pencil brush and pick up the matte black down here at the bottom and put that in my crease. Okay, and to blend that out, I'm gonna use the brush that I use. This is the E17. I'm gonna use the one that this is the one that I use to put down the darkest purple. And I'm gonna just blend this out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. So for the corner, I'm going to use black first and then purple, the darkest purple. Okay, so for my eyelid, I'm going to take this kind of golden shimmery color that I didn't even realize was in here until today, but I'm going to use that one to cover my eyelid. Today I'm using this glitter from Baddie Cosmetics, and I don't know the name of it, but I will put it in the description box. But it's like a mixture of like gold and purple glitter. But to put down my glitter, I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer. And if you guys don't have this, you can use a clear, so if you don't have a clear lash glue, you can use, and then I just said it backwards. So if you don't have a glitter primer, you can use a clear lash glue. I'm going to take the matte black from the palette and trace out my crease with this angled brush. Okay, so I'm gonna add my mascara and my lashes, and then I'll be back. So for my waterline, I'm gonna put on some eyeliner, and then I'm gonna take the matte black from the palette again and smoke it out. I set my face on my Mario Baddie rose water that I have not used in forever. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.